It's the dog days of summer, and this is just a public service announcement that every year I do here during the hotter part of summer. If you have an air conditioner at your house, you have an outdoor unit like this, that's called a condenser coil, and it's where your fan is drawing all the air through the coils on four sides. It's also pulling through a lot of dust and debris and pollen and bugs out of the air. So during the dog days of summer, I typically get out my pressure washer, turn it on the lowest setting, and turn on the lowest setting, and just from a distance, maybe almost 2 feet away, you slowly soak it through on all sides, but maybe make sure you turn off the power first. Turn the main off of it so it's not running while you do it, so you don't do any damage to it. And you just slowly rinse it through all the sides, and you'll see the mud will literally run out the bottom as you're doing it. And that will regain you a bunch of efficiency, make it run shorter periods of time, and help you save some energy on your electric bill. So that's just something I do every summer, and you may try it as well. I do this like once a year, later in the summer. Put your pressure washer on low, the lowest setting. So mine is like 2000 psi on lowest setting. Just gently put water through that core on all four sides, and you'll see the mud will come out on the bottom on the other side. This kind of tilts to the other side, so the mud is running out on the other side. Don't let your kids do this because you can wreck these coils. And just gently soak it and wash them through on all four sides. So I haven't done this year, so it's time.